Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and this is your friend Gauri and you're watching Gauri Unfiltered and we are back with another video for you all, and this video is so important for all of you who are trying to enter into the business field or who are into the marketing side or who want to know what marketing is. So yes, you heard that right, or you thought about it right. We are going to talking about what is marketing. What is marketing? So everyone would know what marketing is as a gist, but I'm going to give you more like a definition part, and then we're going to talk about some example like what is marketing and how do people perceive it in a wrong way. And yes, let's go. So marketing in an easier language or for any person to understand, marketing is something which helps a business to promote its business and sell its product. ओके, मार्केटिंग इज मोर लाइक योर पब्लिक इमेज. आप अंदर क्या हो और आप बाहर क्या हो, वो मार्केटिंग डिसाइड करता है. मार्केटिंग इज द वन दैट मेक्स अ पब्लिक इमेज ऑफ योर कंपनी इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर ऑडियंस. इट makes sure how does the audience perceive your business as, or how does the audience perceive your product as. This is what marketing is as a definition. Now marketing is usually made out of 4 P's. It's very common, everyone would have heard about it if you're in the marketing field. So 4 P's are product, place, price and promotion. So these 4 P's, like I told you, product, place, price and promotion, these are some things that people work on and are also called the marketing mix of the company. Now what do you mean by the marketing mix? So basically marketing, like I told you, is the outside image and how you present your things to the audience. So marketing is done via these 4 things of the company. आप business के product के ऊपर marketing कर सकते हो, उसके price के ऊपर marketing कर सकते हो, उसके place के ऊपर marketing कर सकते हो और आप उसके promotion like activities के ऊपर marketing कर सकते हो. And we are going to talk about हर एक चीज के बारे में in detail as in just कि क्या होता है, कैसे होता है और कैसे marketing divide होती है इन चारों के बीच में. So starting with the first one, the product. How do you do marketing on the basis of your product? आप अपने प्रोडक्ट की मार्केटिंग कैसे कर सकते हो? वो दिखता कैसा है, उसके फीचर्स क्या है, वो क्या काम करता है, या उसमें क्या यूनिक है बाकियों के मुकाबले. सो इस तरीके से आप प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर मार्केटिंग कर सकते हो. Second is what? Price. How do you do marketing on the basis of price? See, when your product is designed and you know the price and you want to play with the price in front of your audience, how do you play it? अगर आपकी pricing is very low, काफ़ी कम pricing है, which a normal person can afford, for example low class and middle class both can afford, तो आपका range बहुत अच्छा है. You have this defined market, you have this designed market of low and middle class जहाँ पे आपको अपनी product marketing करनी है. So price gives you that factor altogether. Now if it is not in the class of this and बहुत हाई स्टैंड या बहुत हाई प्राइसेस हैं, तो आपका मार्केट क्या होगा? इट विल बी लग्जरी मार्केट. लग्जरी मार्केट एज इन जो बिल्कुल रिच क्लास और अपर मिडिल क्लास पीपल को टारगेट करता है. सो प्राइस ऑलवेज हेल्प्स यू इन मार्केटिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट सेक्टर और व्हाट फील्ड यू नीड टू टारगेट ऑन. थर्ड वन इज प्लेस. प्लेस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी यूनिक पार्ट ऑफ योर मार्केटिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी हमने डिस्कस किया प्राइस में कि आपको प्राइस से पता चल जाता है कि आपका कौन सा फील्ड है या कौन सेक्टर है. यू आर टारगेटिंग विच सेक्टर ऑफ द मार्केट or audience. It's either lower middle class or it's either luxury market. Now when you decide that or when you have a conclusion कि आपकी कौन सी market है, now you have to decide on the place where you want to present your business at. For example, there is a brand called Zara. ठीक है, Zara के products are what? Luxury market because the prices are high. So अब आप Zara किसी normal बाजार में या गली के नुक्कड़ में तो नहीं खोलोगे ना, obviously, because that is something which decides, that is something, a factor that decides where your business should be placed at, right? So according to your pricing or according to your product or according to the other things, you decide what place you have to place your business at. This is what we were talking about, the place, the third P of the marketing. Now we'll jump on to the last P. The last P of the marketing, promotion. It's my favorite part of the marketing, and this is something where the creativity jumps in. So यार अगर अभी तक if you are somewhere or you are even trying to enter into the marketing field, no, jump onto the latest examples of the marketing, which is Puma into Anushka Sharma का marketing stunt, amazing stunt I would say. Second one right now is Zomato and Blinkit, like they're talking about the billboards. I'll add the picture here. See, they have added this, दूध मांगोगे दूध देंगे, खीर मांगोगे खीर देंगे. The billboards creation, the marketing is so much on point, and this is what we call promotion. Promotion is something which requires your creativity. ठीक है. क्रिएटिविटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाउ यूनिकली और हाउ नाइसली कैन यू प्रेजेंट योर बिजनेस इनटू द मार्केट दैट अट्रैक्ट्स द ऑडियंस. आपको कुछ यूनिक फीचर पे प्ले आउट करना पड़ेगा या कुछ ऐसा यूनिक करना पड़ेगा जो मार्केट में हो नहीं रहा है. देर आर a lot of examples. अगर मैं मार्केटिंग की बात करूँ तो देर वॉज वन ऑफ द what was that brand, sorry,
2000 years later.
जो मिल्क एंड ऑल में करती है, तो समथिंग है सी, देख के बताऊंगी. Yeah, so that brand, that played onto the referral game. So what is referral game? उन्होंने 500 अपने उसमें डाल दिए वॉलेट में. They said you download the app and you will have 500 for the milk. आप एक हफ्ते का मिल्क मंगाओ. If you like it, you continue it further. So they played onto the referral game, or they played onto the the part where they add something to the wallet. And Indian audience, my friend, Indian audience loves offers. Indian audience loves referrals. Indian audience loves samples, और Indian audience loves free की thing. तो अगर आप कुछ शुरू कर रहे हो, ट्रस्ट मी, गो फॉर एनी ऑफ दिस. पर दिमाग लगा के, ये मत बोलना मैंने बोला. गो फॉर थिंग्स, नाम याद आ गया. इट्स कंट्री डिलाइट. कंट्री डिलाइट ने अपना बेस, दे हैव generated a lot of audience through this, and it was so admired across people. Yeah, so that was the brand, and this was what I was trying to explain you all through 4 P's, the marketing mix, and what is marketing. Now that you know what marketing is, we'll jump on to a few example or a few stories on the next video. Don't forget to check that out. And also, if you thought this was helpful for you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with the new ones. Until then, bye guys.